Hi, welcome to CTM. My name is Damien and welcome to CTM North Riding. I want to show you one of my favorite tiles, and it's a porcelain tile and it's called Skyline Charcoal. Now, a lot of people have asked me, why have we selected a porcelain tile? Porcelain tiles are hard wearing, it's a large format tile, and most importantly, it's locally made at one of our famous Griffin factories at Vaal. So come just look at this beautiful tile. When this tile was made, the designers wanted to do something different. So they identified that this was a screeded look and a cement look, but they wanted to highlight something so beautifully that they brought a terracotta feel to it. And merging the two together, you can see now the beauty of the tile. But a lot of people also want a tile that's outdoors and has an anti-slip finish. So as you feel this tile, you'll feel the granular finish, but it'll also feel like a sandpaper effect. Now, this is gonna give you grip on your shoes. You can put it by a swimming pool, you can put it by any outdoor area, and this will accommodate any of your needs. But you can also use the tile calculator that we have. If you really like a tile like I do, then just go onto our website, click the tile calculator, put your measurements in, and show what you need and add to cart. But if you're struggling, I'm here. I'm a product expert. Give me a call on 010-003-9987. I'm available either on call or WhatsApp, but I really want to make your dream come true. Have a good one. Cheers.